Are you looking for a free and awesome text-to-speech site? Well, stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Hey everyone, this is Vanryn and welcome back to my channel. By the way, I already made a similar video before, which you should definitely check out. Okay, this one. So this shows a site that's free and unlimited, perfect for creators who need text-to-speech often. So make sure to watch this too. But for today, we're talking about a tool called Elevenlabs. If you're not familiar with it yet, don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. Welcome to Elevenlabs. Okay, before you can get in, sign up first. It will take you a while, don't worry about it. And once you're in, just follow my steps. We'll explore more of its feature in another video, but right now we'll focus on the text-to-speech tool. Now click on text-to-speech. And here's the coolest part, Elevenlabs offers a wide range of AI voices for free. Here, so there's a lot of AI voice to choose from. The only catch is it's not unlimited. You'll have your credits. This one. You can see it in your account. This is my remaining credits. But I promise the voices right here are amazing. So let's try it out. First, you need to paste your text. For example, this one. Good morning, baby girl. How's your day going? I missed you so much. Okay, so we'll choose AI voice. But of course, before generating your AI voice, you can test different ones before generating so you don't have to waste your credits. Okay, so for example,
a single rose can be my garden, a single friend my world.
Life without love is like a tree without blossoms or fruit.
Just trust yourself, then you will know how to live.
As we are liberated from our own fear, our presence automatically liberates others.
For example, if I will choose Chris, okay, I will choose Chris and just click the AI voice. Okay, so once you pick your favorite one, you can even adjust things like speed, stability, similarity, and the style. Okay, once you're done, hit generate speech. Let's test this out.
Good morning, baby girl. How's your day going? I missed you so much.
I miss it too. Oh.
Good morning, baby girl. How's your day going? I missed you so much.
I miss it too, daddy. Now, if you're happy with the output, then just click this download right here. Click it. And boom. You have your own AI voice. With this, you can create awesome content, podcasts, or videos. All you need to do is to be creative. As for me, I'll be using this audio for my AI character. And if you're curious how to make character talk, don't miss my next video. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in my next vlog. Bye!